So now, the cleansing process has taken place. Now will be the time for purification by fire. To create fire, it is both material and spiritual energy at the same time. So this is the connection between the material and the spiritual. So this will elevate, it will purify by our intention, and by doing the Amatsu no Rito once again, we will purify this space and these sacred objects. Center, God's left, our right, and our left. Now, we will pray the Amatsu no Rito once again in gratitude for being allowed this opportunity to play a part in the divine plan, to help others by giving them these sacred objects to wear and to enhance their spiritual elevation and take them to closer steps of fulfilling their mission.
Takamaharani kamzu marimasu Kamarogi kamaromi no mikoto mochite Sume mi oya kamu izanagi no mikoto Tsukushi no emuka no tachi hara no Ado no ahagi hara ni Misogi hara itamo toki ni narimaseru Harai dono o kami tachi moro moro no Magagoto sumike gari wo Harai tamae kiyome tamae to maosu koto no yoshi wo Amatsukami kunitsukami yao yorozo no kami tachi tomo ni Ame no fuchi koma no mimi furi tatete Kekoshi meseto kashikomi mo maosu Miroku o mikami mamori tamae sakiae tamae Miroku o mikami mamori tamae sakiae tamae Oshie ni oya nushi no kami mamori tamae sakiae tamae Oshie mi oya nushi no kami mamori tamae sakiae tamae Kanagara tamachi haemase Kanagara tamachi haemase
We give thanks to God, the Creator, God of light. We give thanks to the Founder, Meishu-sama. And once again, we give thanks to God and all the ancestors, all the divine beings. Thank you. So this has been the purification of the sacred altar and sacred objects. Make sure you subscribe. Ring the all notification bell so you know when new videos are uploaded. Like and share this video. It will help the channel in the algorithm. Now, if you want to acquire your Orgonite blessed on this altar, then use the link in the description. And if you want to reach me on social media, if you have a special color or special situation, make sure you reach me on social media using the links in the description. And if you just want to donate, make sure you use those links. Thank you for your participation. Namaste.